Become an owner of an online merchandise store by completing each and every step that I'm going to show you. Yes, it will take less than 10 minutes to start this automated store for absolutely free that will make you money in pure passive income. For this, you don't want to create any content, no selling, no affiliate marketing, no referrals, and no social media followers needed whatsoever. This is a unique way of making money with simple work from anywhere in the world. Guys, keep in mind, you'll be able to make 3 times more money compared to others who don't watch every second of this small video. So make sure you stick with me until the end, as I'll be giving you some important tips throughout this tutorial. And if you really appreciate me doing all the hard work for you and coming up with these kind of legit ways of earning money online, leave a like to this video and make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you'll be one of the first ones to be notified whenever a new video pops up. So shall we start? So as the first step, come over to pexels.com and search for cute cats. So here you'll get thousands of copyright-free stock images, and we can use these photos to earn a lot of money online with a special website and a very unique strategy, guys. So for this, you have to go over to teespring.com. Teespring is a free end-to-end solution for your e-commerce business, create and sell online. Well, Teespring.com is a 100% free platform that will allow us to create e-commerce products that we can sell them on the internet. Don't worry, you don't have to sell them. Teespring will do that for you. All you gotta do is simply download the free stock photos from Pexels and upload to Teespring.com. And once you upload all the photos or designs, Teespring will automatically get them with different products. And let's get an idea about the products. Here you got unisex tees, women's tees, hoodies and sweatshirts, tank tops, long sleeve tees, kids and babies, other apparel, and they have accessories, home decor, specialty products, specialty prints. And if you go inside each of these, you'll get a bunch of subcategories like classic tees, comfort tees, premium tees, and so on. So you can scroll all the way down and see the products they got, like hoodies, socks, leggings, iPhone cases, Samsung cases, accessory pouches, tote bags, stickers, mugs, and so on and so forth. They even have cloth face masks as well. So you can download and upload some simple photos just like this, and Teespring will print them and sell to the people all over the world. This is called print on demand, guys. So Teespring will manufacture the products, print your designs on them, and sell in 180 different countries around the world via standard, economy, and express shipping. So you don't have to worry about any of those, and the best thing about Teespring is they have a professional customer support service. So you won't have to interact with the customers before or after a sale is being made. Teespring will in fact do everything for you. So basically you can own your online store on teespring.com, and you can literally start owning a 5 or 6 figure online business on Teespring. So here you can have social integrations if you have any social accounts. So you can open a social store by connecting your social accounts seamlessly to Teespring's platform and let your fans shop exactly where they are. This if you have some social accounts. And also you can have a custom store. As I said, build a beautiful store that looks and feels like you, giving your fans a branded experience from browsing all the way through to checkout. And as I said earlier, there are over 180 plus physical products over here. So you can create any of their 180 plus physical products or upload original content instantly to create digital products. So to upload original content, if you have your original content, you can upload them. If not, you can go over to Pexels. These are also original content as they are royalty free. And you can see how it works, design products and create a custom store instantly for free. So by just hitting this start creating button, you can start designing. In just a moment, I'll show you exactly how to use your mobile, laptop or the computer and start designing different products within less than 10 minutes for absolutely free. And then you can connect your social accounts and share, promote your launch and get the profit you deserve while we handle production, shipping and customer support for you. And here at Teespring, they even drive traffic for your products. And don't worry if you don't have any social media accounts with thousands of followers, I'll give you a few bonus tips on how to get more sales by driving free traffic to your online store. So guys, this is a very professional process and all you have to do is to create a product. So for that, you have to go over to start designing over here. Create your account here, give your name or the brand name, email, password, confirm password, and tick here to confirm that you're not a robot. And if you like, you can read their terms of service and privacy policy and hit sign up. And then you have to give a name to your store, give a unique name, and which of the following best describes you. You have to select one: marketer, content creator, designer, organization, or other. I'll choose content creator, and connect at least one social account to verify as a creator. So you can connect one of these: YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or other. So I'll choose my YouTube channel. So here they say choose from 180 plus products to create, start designing, add to your store, do it again. And there's a pro tip, they recommend you starting with 10 products. You can always edit products later or take them down, plus it's all free, so go wild with it. So first you have to select a product. These are the trending products at the moment: men's staple tee, women's premium hoodie, face masks, and some digital products, apparel, accessories, home decor. And if you don't like these, you can scroll all the way down and choose whatever the product you like. There are 180 plus products to choose from. You can even use all of these products, guys. It's your store and it's up to you to choose what you'll sell in your store. And the process of designing a product is simple and the same. So I'll show you an example, okay? Let's choose this. Okay, let's choose this. So in order to design, you need an image. So we thought of choosing cats. So we'll choose one from here. I'll choose this one. Hit download and go over to Teespring and add image. There you go. You can play around with these guys. You can place wherever you want. You can even add some text. What would you add? I'll just add cat lovers. You can customize that as well. You can change the color. You can play around with that, okay? Change the font. Just like that. And you can choose the product colors. I'll choose them all. In most of the products, you get more colors than this. There are only 4 colors here, but in some, they might have 10 or 12 colors. Some they have only 2 colors. It depends on the product. And here you can select the first image buyers see. They're talking about the color of the t-shirt, so I'll choose black. Design it properly. This is the most important part, guys. Price for the products fulfilled from the US. You can give whatever the price you want. Here you'll see the profit per sale, and this for the products fulfilled from the Europe. So you can go through some of the other stores and get an idea about the prices, and you can give a lesser price so you'll get more sales because the quality of these products will be the same. We'll change this to like 36. Your profit will be $20. You change this to 46, your profit will be $30. So we'll keep it as 29. So you'll get $10 from each sale by simply uploading a photo without selling, without referrals, or even without any experience or skills. So once you're done with the design, you have to go over here and hit continue. And guys, I really hope you guys are enjoying this video and getting a value out of this video. And if you do like it, leave a thumbs up below. And if you haven't already, then do myself a favor by hitting that red subscribe button and tap on the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever a new video pops up. And here, according to what you designed, they will suggest some more products for you to choose from. So in this case, this is a tank top and they have 4 styles. Profit starting from 8.67. So if you choose this, you can select the styles and you have to just tick these. And if you want to edit this, you can go in just like this and edit. You can choose some colors. As I said earlier, there are more colors like this. If the product is different, you have to choose from any of these colors and continue and hit done. So you can choose any of these products, right? You can even choose accessories. See this organic tote bag with your design. It all depends on the design, okay? And see they have iPhone cases, Samsung cases, and face masks and mugs. So everything you add, it will appear here, guys. So go through this. It's okay to spend a couple of minutes over here because this is gonna be there forever and you'll make passive income from this. So spend some time to choose the products, edit them, and hit continue. And now you have to create your listing. You have to give a title, description. Just type, you can just type cat lover collection or like this. You can give just a small description like here you will find exclusive cat lover collection. Give a small description and you can select the first image buyers will see, and it's like the thumbnail on YouTube, and this will be your URL and the visibility and the store name will be there. So here you can go over here and publish the listing, and this URL will be your store's URL. You can copy the link and keep it somewhere so you can give this link to the people around the world. Once again guys, Teespring will get you the sales according to SimilarWeb. Teespring.com gets a total number of 7 million visits per month, and most of them are coming from the United States. And as I promised you, here's another tip to drive more sales to your store. You have to come over to Facebook.com, and I hope all of you have an account. If you don't have, you have to create one. And here you have to search for cat lovers, and over here you have to choose groups and choose public groups. So go over to each and every one of these groups, click here to join these groups, and as you can see here there are 222,000 cat lovers, okay? Here 5,400 cat lovers, here 69,000 cat lovers, here 80,000, 334,000 cat lovers, 108,000 cat lovers. There are thousands and thousands of people who love cats. Guys, not only cats, you can design anything, okay? But make sure to use photos or taglines on the same particular niche or category so you can gradually create a good customer base for your store and develop your online business. For example, if you want to design a product related to fitness, start another store. If you want to design products related to motorbikes, start another store. So you can join these groups and you will find cat lovers from all over the world. So post your products over here and you'll get a lot of organic sales. But don't spam by giving the links all over the group. Make sure you comment on a few posts by others every day and post one product per day on each group. So if you join like 20 groups, you can post 20 products per day, guys. And another way is you can come over to Instagram.com and start a page like this. This is a very popular page, guys. It has over 4.5 million followers with 7,378 posts. Get some ideas by going through profiles like this, and you can get the photos from pexels.com and also you can get the photos from these kind of accounts. But if you get photos from these kind of accounts, make sure you credit them, and you can download these by going over to downloadgrum.com and give the link of this particular photo you want to download, and it will download the photo. And make sure you go to these cat lover accounts and scroll through their followers and follow them. Make sure you follow 50 accounts per hour. If not, Instagram will block you from following people for a particular time as you're misusing that option. And I really hope all of you will start building your own online business by following each and every step I showed you and earn more and more money in passive income and live a fabulous life. And here's a bonus. This is the best traffic source out there. I would highly recommend. The link of it I left in the description box down below. As you can see, this is a 100% done for you super affiliate system with free buyer traffic from 800 plus million visitors. And guys, this isn't free. I have to tell you that it costs just under 20 bucks, guys. Just pay $17 once and use forever. But as a plus, you have a 180-day money back guarantee. No monthly fees ever, and this is designed and made for complete beginners. And you'll get free buyer traffic in less than 60 seconds, and in this case you'll get a 180-day money back guarantee, which is really nice because you can't lose anything by giving this a try if you have money. The link down in the description. I hope you guys will love it, and that will bring more and more traffic not only to this strategy but whatever you do on the internet to make money by having some real traffic. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, comment down below. As I always say, I love replying to all of your comments. Share with your mates, like, subscribe, tap the bell icon. Thanks for watching.